How to set up calendar integration in Waze. Never miss a meeting again. Let's sync your calendar with Waze. Open the Waze app, tap three line at top left corner, then go to settings. In settings, scroll down and tap plan drive or you will see calendar. Select your calendar type, then allow access. Events with address will appear in plan drive. Waze will estimate travel time and remind you when to leave. And make sure your calendar event include the address for accurate navigation. And that's it. Your schedule and navigation perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.